Hey guys, what's up? Today let's compare Huawei Nova 5 and Samsung Galaxy A70. Let's start. First we talk about the rear camera. Nova 5 comes with a 48 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel quad rear camera, and other side A70 has a triple rear camera, 32 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. Next, RAM and storage. Nova 5 comes with a 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and other side you will get a two option in RAM, 6GB and 8GB, and only one option in storage, 128GB. If I talk about the front camera, you will get a 32 megapixel front camera in both smartphones. Next, display. Nova 5 comes with a 6.3 inch Full HD Plus OLED display, and A70 comes with a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Now we give a look on performance. Huawei Nova 5 comes with a 2.7 GHz octa-core processor and KEYone 810 chipset, and A70 comes with a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 675 chipset. Next we talk about some other features. Both smartphone comes with the Android 9 and both smartphone has a dual SIM option, and Nova 5 and A70 comes with a fingerprint sensor on display. And talk about the GPU, Nova 5 comes with a Mali P52 and P6 GPU, and other side you will get a Adreno 612 GPU. And talk about the battery, Nova 5 comes with a 3500 mAh battery, and company says it will charge 85% in 30 minutes. And other side A70 has a 4500 mAh non-volt battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price, Nova 5 expected price 28,000 Indian rupees and 400 in US dollar, and A70 average price is 29,000 in Indian rupees and 420 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update.